Hi guys! So today we're gonna open up
A fidget pack.
and it's mystery. So let's get the first thing is a simple dimple. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, where's the... Okay, there it is. We're gonna open up the simple dimple and it looks like it comes with a keychain. And let's check it out. And here's the keychain that goes with this simple dimple. Let's put it on. Oh. Okay, let's just put it right here. And the next thing we got is another simple dimple because we got two of these simple dimples. And let's open it. So here we have our simple dimple. And it's very nice and has a nice sound. So now let's get on to the next thing.
Go.
So now we have all this and we're gonna start off with, so I got this wacky track and and you can take it apart, but it's kind of hard to, and you can put it together too. I can't put it together, but here it is. And it's very nice. So now we actually don't only have one, but we have two wacky tracks. And there's the difference. This one is actually a blue and orange, and this one is a orange and green combo. So I got one of them on, and it's very nice, and it makes a nice clicking sound. So let's go on to the next fidget toy. The next fidget toy we have are two of these foam squishies, and they're good for stress relieving. And they're shaped like a football. So, yeah. Now let's go on to the next fidget toy. So we also have 1, 2, 3, 4 marble meshes, and we have this red one, this green one, this yellow one, and this blue one. The next thing we have is, now we have these monkey noodles, and we have green, blue, pink, and orange. And they have a nice texture. And you can tie them up and play with them. So the next thing we're going to do is this bicycle chain. I like the flipping, and it's colored green right here. And it's very satisfying. Now the next thing we have, another thing that we have, stay tuned because we're gonna check out the fidget toys at the end of the video. The next thing we have is this infinity cube. And it is black and it flips. And it has a nice flipping motion. And it's very satisfying. So here it is, and I'm gonna save one of the. Here's these pea poppers, and they're very cute. They have a little pea popper in there. See, and they're nice to pop out. And they come with this keychain so that you can actually put it on your backpack, purse, or anywhere else to take it with you. And I have 3 of them. And we also have this. Wait, that's gonna be the last because I'm gonna save the best for last. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 globbles, and they're glow in the dark. So it says right here that they're glow in the dark. So we're gonna check that out soon. First, I'm gonna open one of them. See, it's very nice, and I'm gonna see if it sticks on the ceiling. So we're gonna see if it glows in the dark now. So it kind of glows in the dark, but I'm not sure if you can see it. So yeah, that kind of worked, but you couldn't really see it. And now I'm gonna be opening, no, actually not opening, but I'm gonna check out one of these 4 mochis. So see you in a little bit. First, let me open one. So now I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna be opening this pink mochi cap. It is very nice and squishy, and it's cute, and it has the little nose red, but I think you can barely see it because it's a very small mochi, kind of. And here it is. It is a very cute cat, and since I saved the best for last, here it is. Pop it. I'm ready to open it. Kind of hard to take it out since it's rubber. Here it is. Pop it. It has a nice popping sound. This is the bad side. And this is the good side. So now that we're done with it, opening everything up, we're going to review the fidget toys. So I rate this Poppet a 10 out of 10. I rate this Mochi a 9 out of 10. I rate this Globble an 8 out of 10 because it doesn't really stick. I rate this a 5 out of 10. I rate the Simple Dimples an 8 out of 10. I rate the Marble Meshes a 5 out of 10. I rate this Infinity Cube a 9 out of 10 because I really love it. And I rate this a 10 out of 10 because it's super cute. I rate this Wacky Track a 7 out of 10. I rate the Monkey Noodles a 7 out of 10. I rate this Flippy Chain a 8 out of 10. Bye. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment down which fidget you would want. Which is your favorite fidget that I got from the mystery fidget toy package.